All right guys, so you probably stumbled across this video because you have a food truck and you just started a business and you need it wrapped. However, you might not have the finances to have somebody else wrap it for you, but you might have just enough money to be able to purchase the wrap still. Well, I'm no gatekeeper and I understand anyone that's trying to start a business. I don't want to hinder that, so today I'm going to be showing you the full process, all the tips, the tricks, everything you need to know to be able to wrap your food truck by yourself. So without further delay, let's go ahead and hop right into it. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So one thing I do love about WePrintWraps.com is that they get your order shipped to you in 3 days. Like, I literally left, went on vacation for the weekend, and I came back and the box was sitting at my door. On top of that, they also cover everything with plastic, so if this vinyl is actually left outside in the rain, your wrap will not get wet. And I've had times where they left my wrap outside in the rain and the actual bag was wet, but the wrap on the inside was not. So let's go ahead and get this thing unwrapped and see what we got here. Yeah, so I got it all pulled out, and again, man, I'm always highly impressed with the attention to detail. The glossiness of it looks amazing. The colors just pop right off of the background. I mean, I'm ready to get this thing thrown onto the trailer. I know it's gonna look amazing. I like to have my panels running horizontal, so it's only one thing for me to line up when it comes to putting these panels down. All right, so then from here it's very simple. You just need to look at the pattern. And this one has a lot of overhang, but that's cool. I'll show you how I get rid of that. So we're just trying to line up the pattern. All right, so we're pretty much lined up. Just gonna get this side tacked down so it doesn't move. Then from here, I'm just running tape all the way down, getting the whole thing set in place so it doesn't move on me when I go to flip it. I want to see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over like this. I like to go halfway again, give myself a little bit of a lip. And this is just like a guideline for me. So I'm putting the tape down as a guideline. All right, from here, just using the blue tape as a guideline. Trimming out the excess. Now for the pre-panel portion, to get it started, just gonna be bending this back a little bit. And then we wanna pull the vinyl, hold the vinyl down, but pull the backing paper up. That's the whole point. So you do this all the way down and squeegee the other vinyl to this vinyl. A smooth pre-panel. You want to do big portions at a time. You don't want to do small portions because the wrap will rip and then you have to go back here and try to peel it up. Just to tape both pieces together. Found what works best for me is if I give it some little skeleton bones, kind of holds it together a little bit better. So it all really wants to come off as one piece. All right, the next thing we want to do before we start installing this thing, we got it all rolled up. I want to go ahead and see if we could get the room temp around 65 to 70. This is just gonna prevent the wrap from ripping on you. It's the last thing you want whenever you're dealing with the install. So let's get this thing fired up, and then in a few minutes we can start our install. So now we just wanna go around all of these. Put some blue tape. Blue tape is gonna prevent the wrap from sticking to these elevated items. This make it easier for you to work around it, but also it'll just prevent you from blading, you know, and leaving blade marks all over everything. All right, guys, in the very last part, but one of the most important parts, not so much on flat panels, more with color changes, but still on flat panels, you have a bunch of these micro scratches that will be left behind. To get those out, all you have to do is get your torch. You don't want to hold it in a spot for too long because you're going to burn the wrap, but we're just going to go back and forth. And this is going to eliminate all the micro scratches. So the wrap comes out flawless. Micro scratches just occur from just using a squeegee in general. You can use your wrap glove and you're still gonna get micro scratches. There's no way of avoiding it. But like I said, go ahead and use your torch back and forth. Don't hold it in one spot for too long and you'll be able to heat these right out. All right, so there it is, man. We finally got the food truck all the way wrapped up. What you think of it, Trey?
Very happy, very happy.
The generator started on this thing, and you're pulling it with this. This thing is able to pull it.
This little Santa Cruz, it do it.
Yeah. This big trailer, man. The Santa Cruz is pulling it. That's insane. Bro's got a generator and everything. Yeah, that's wild. And did they make the custom hookups to go in here?
They made the custom hookup.
Custom hookup, okay. And they put the hitch on the back of this too?
Put the hitch on the back.
That's wild. Got the propane tank. Yeah, this is insane. Let's go and take a look inside. What we got going on in here, man. So this is like a prep area right here?
Prep area, hot wheel station, fry station, flat top grill. I got a refrigerator, full-size freezer, drink, beverage cooler, 3-compartment sink because we like to stay clean. Hand washing station. And where I get to greet all the beautiful faces.
Oh man, this is crazy. And you can keep the temperature inside of here too?
I can keep the temperature inside.
And then this is like the little HVAC system?
HVAC system.
This is the same thing?
Same thing. Well, it's the hood vents for grilling, frying, restaurant style.
Yeah.
But it'll be warm when it's cold, cold when it's hot.
I feel that. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. I'm excited to come check you out. Where are you gonna be?
You can find me at the Village Food Truck Park, 25 Fletcher Commercial Drive, Fletcher, North Carolina.
All right, y'all. Y'all heard it. See y'all next time.